Ever looked at your savings account and thought, there's gotta be a better way? Maybe you've heard whispers about investing, but the whole thing seems like a maze of jargon and risk. Or perhaps you're ready to dive in but unsure where to start. Well, let's talk about StashAway. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's address the burning question: how old do you have to be to start investing with StashAway? Now, I know what you're thinking. Investing? That's for adults with fancy suits and even fancier portfolios. Wrong. Investing is for everyone, and yes, that includes you, no matter your age. But let's break down the specifics. What is StashAway? StashAway is like a personal financial advisor in your pocket. It's a platform that helps you invest your money automatically, taking care of the complex stuff so you don't have to. It's designed to be user-friendly, making investing accessible to everyone. So, how old do you have to be? The minimum age to open a StashAway account varies depending on where you live. For most countries, it's 18. But it's essential to check the specific requirements for your country. Remember, laws and regulations can change, so always verify the information on StashAway's official website. Why start early? Starting early is like giving your money a superpower: compound interest. It's like magic, but with math. Let's say you invest a small amount every month from the age of 18. By the time you're ready for retirement, that small amount can grow into a substantial sum. It's the gift of time working in your favor. Is StashAway safe? Security is paramount when it comes to your money. StashAway employs robust security measures to protect your investments and personal information. They adhere to strict regulatory standards and often partner with reputable financial institutions. However, it's essential to do your own research and understand the risks involved in any investment. Choosing the right investment plan. StashAway offers various investment plans tailored to different goals and risk tolerances. Whether you're saving for a house, retirement, or a vacation, there's a plan for you. StashAway's algorithm analyzes your financial situation and recommends the best plan based on your goals and risk tolerance. How much do I need to start? One of the best things about StashAway is that you don't need a fortune to start. You can begin with a small amount and gradually increase your investments as your financial situation improves. Remember, consistency is key. Small, regular investments can add up over time. Overcoming investment fears. Investing can be intimidating, especially for beginners. Fears about losing money or making the wrong decisions are common. But remember, investing is a long-term game. Market fluctuations are normal, and it's essential to stay focused on your long-term goals. Diversification, which StashAway handles for you, can help spread the risk. Additional tips for young investors. To maximize your investment journey, focus on financial literacy. Understand the basics of investing, saving, and budgeting. Building an emergency fund is also crucial. It provides a safety net for unexpected expenses, preventing you from dipping into your investments. Lastly, set clear financial goals. Knowing what you're saving for will keep you motivated. Investing early can open doors to financial freedom and security. StashAway makes it accessible and convenient for people of all ages to start their investment journey. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. So, regardless of your age, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, StashAway might be the right step for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.